Hi, my name is Derek Narenberg, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to map a hiking trail. The JuicyTrails map is built using OpenStreetMap data. In the JuicyTrails map, hiking trails are colored magenta, as you see here. Today we are going to map the fitness trail, and here's what it looks like after I mapped it. Okay, so let's map a hiking trail. To do so, you just need to go to JuicyTrails.com, move the map to the area where you would like to map a trail. There's a trail here called the fitness trail that I'd like to add to the map. So to create this trail, I'm just going to click Improve this map. It's going to open up the OpenStreetMap ID editor that's been customized for JuicyTrails. Before I start mapping, I just want to point out a few features of this editor. First of all, it contains OpenStreetMap data. Second of all, it includes the JuicyTrails map style by default. You can switch between different types of background imagery, one of which is this Bing aerial imagery, which is really useful. And it also includes the Strava global heat map data, which is represented by these blue dots. This Strava global heat map is probably one of the best things that's ever happened to trail mapping because it shows where users have actually traveled a trail. What I often do is I'll turn this off to make sure that there's a trail there in the Bing satellite imagery, but I know there's a trail there because I've traveled it before. So I'm going to turn it back on and use it as a reference for mapping trails, or this trail. So to map a trail, you just need to click the line tool. I'm going to start here, and then I'll just point out that you do not need to map every fine curve of a trail with this editor. You just need to make sure you click the apex, major apex of corners. So going around there. All right, and double clicking on the last point. All right, so there is our vector line that we've roughed in. So now we can use another really useful tool that's included in this editor. It's called the slide tool. To use it, just click off the line, click back on it. You'll get this palette of tools here. Here's the slide tool, and you'll see what it does is it aligns the vector line of the trail with the Strava global heat map data. Down here there's a little bit of a problem that happens sometimes with the slide tool. We see we have this Strava global heat map data. It's real dense right here. We just need to push this back up to where the trail is. All right. Check for any other spots that need a little help. It's all looking pretty good. So there's our vector line of the trail. Now we need to tag it. Tags tell OpenStreetMap and also the JuicyTrails server how to render a trail. Tags are over here on the left. We're going to tag this as path, path again, and now we just need to name it. This is the fitness trail. Don't need to add trail. And then we'll need to add a surface tag so people will know that this is not a paved trail. So I almost always use ground or dirt. And then we need to tag it with foot equals yes. All right, so we've drawn our trail, we've tagged it. Now it's time to save and upload our changes to OpenStreetMap. If you don't already have an OpenStreetMap account, it'll ask you to create one there. I already have one, so I'm good to go. So I'll just type in create fitness trail. I'll save it. Those changes will upload to OpenStreetMap. The JuicyTrails server will pick it up within 24 hours and show that as a magenta colored line. That's it. Thanks for watching.